Hello folks, I got a 2005 Mercedes C240 4Matic. This is an all-wheel drive version. I'm gonna repeat. This is an all-wheel drive version, and the reason why is because when you do wheel bearings, the wheel bearings looks different on the all-wheel drive than the front wheel or rear wheel. Rear wheel drive. So the wheel bearings on these all-wheel drive looks like this. They're just one piece. They're not the inner outer like in the rear wheel drive. These are different. And I'm going to show you a quick video. I'm not going to show you a lot of details here about how you remove the spindle or the knuckle. I've removed the left knuckle here. This is what it looks like right here. The wheel bearing is still there. And I'm going to show you the play. See, that's the little play on the... See if I can get a better shot for you guys to see. Right there. I'm feeling this play here. This wheel bearing needs to be replaced. And I'm gonna tell you something. Diagnosing these kind of vehicles can be tricky sometimes when it comes to wheel bearing. I was hearing the vibrating or humming or noise, a wheel bearing noise, while driving straight. And you know how sometimes you turn right or you move right or left while you're driving, you hear it, you hear the noise increases or decreases. This was not the case with this vehicle. And you know, when I was wiggling the tire, when the tire was still on and the rim, I did not feel that play. I actually had to take this off to feel that play in the wheel bearing. So it's a little tricky, and not always you can tell it's a wheel bearing problem by just wiggling the rim when it's still on there. Anyways, this is the left side and this is the right side. I used my press to remove the wheel bearing off of this one. So let me just demonstrate how this was installed. This was right here. It was pressed on the top of this piece. Okay. And actually, let me just go back a little bit. This was pressed inside here. Okay. You can see this is, when I took it off, it came apart. And then I had this ring sits on the top of this, and then what this was going this way in the middle. Okay? So to remove this off, what do you need to do? You need to press this to push it out from the top. Well, this would be top, assuming that this was the case, like that. So what you need to do, you need to start with the middle piece, okay, which is this. You need to press this out. Once this comes out, then it's easier for you to remove this wheel bearing that's second goes on top of that first piece. So I did all of that and we're done with that. Now I gotta install the new one. So what I'm gonna do, I bought two of them. That's the new one. That's what the new one looks like for the all-wheel drive. If you look the auto parts store, you're gonna see the inner and outer, and they look thinner and they look different. Well, with the all-wheel drive, it's just one piece, and I bought two of them from Napa, and this is the part number from Napa. If you are interested to know what the part number is, and I got two of them. Okay, I think they're like 92 bucks each. They're not cheap. You can probably get them online for cheaper, but we just had to get them from a local store. So I'm gonna go ahead and press this, and I just wanted to show you guys the difference between the rear wheel drive and the all-wheel drive when it comes to the wheel bearing. And if you actually got to this point of removing this wheel bearing, you should be able to install this by yourself. I don't know if I'm gonna have time to record putting the new bearing on, but I'll try it, but there's no promises. I really need to get this car fixed and going, and return to the customer. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.